You're probably closer to achieving financial stability than you think, and you might have already reached some significant milestones without even realizing it. Are you creating a life of financial freedom or just making ends meet? In this video, we'll explore the financial milestones you might have already achieved without even realizing it, and what you can do now to continue moving forward on your financial journey. Financial milestones can vary from person to person, but there are some common achievements that can indicate you're on the right track to securing your financial future. However, many people fail to recognize their progress and continue to feel like they're falling behind. So, what are some significant financial milestones you might have already achieved? Getting a steady job, paying off high-interest debt, and creating a budget that works for you are all important milestones that can set you up for financial stability. Having a rainy day fund in place, increasing your income, and investing for the future are also significant achievements that can bring you peace of mind and financial security. But how do you know if you've really reached these milestones or if you're just getting by? It's essential to evaluate your financial progress and make adjustments as needed to continue moving forward. According to a study published in the Journal of Financial Planning, individuals who have a clear financial plan are more likely to achieve their long-term goals. This planning can include creating a budget, paying off high-interest debt, and investing for the future. Experts also recommend that you start saving for retirement early and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. By starting early and being consistent, you can set yourself up for long-term financial stability. Now, let's talk about some practical steps you can take to continue moving forward on your financial journey. First, take time to evaluate your current financial situation, including your debt, income, and expenses. Make a list of specific financial goals you want to achieve, such as paying off debt or increasing your income. Next, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Consider enrolling in a retirement plan, such as a 401k or IRA, and start investing for the future. Finally, celebrate your progress and don't be too hard on yourself if you encounter setbacks. Remember, achieving financial stability is a journey that takes time and patience. So, what are some significant financial milestones you might have already achieved? Getting a steady job, paying off high-interest debt, and creating a budget that works for you are all important milestones that can set you up for financial stability. Achieving these milestones indicates that you've made significant progress in securing your financial foundation, providing you with a solid groundwork to build upon for future financial success. By acquiring a steady job, you're establishing a consistent income stream that will enable you to meet your living expenses and plan for long-term goals. Paying off high-interest debt not only eliminates unnecessary financial burdens, but also enables you to redirect those funds towards more productive uses, such as saving, investing, or tackling other debts. Moreover, creating a budget that works for you is essential, as it provides a framework for making informed financial decisions that align with your financial objectives. As you progress along your financial journey, you might have also made significant strides in building an emergency fund or accumulating retirement savings. Building an easily accessible savings fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of living expenses can provide a vital safety net, allowing you to navigate unexpected financial setbacks without being forced to resort to high-interest debt. Furthermore, consistently contributing to retirement accounts such as 401k or IRA not only helps ensure a more secure financial future, but also provides tax benefits that can enhance your savings. In essence, securing a substantial portion of your retirement savings now can lead to long-term financial flexibility and potentially provide you with a more comfortable standard of living in your golden years. Recognizing the importance of these milestones will enable you to stay motivated and encouraged as you work towards realizing your financial goals. Moreover, getting financially stable brings a sense of security that enables you to pursue long-term goals, such as acquiring a primary residence or starting a family. Homeownership can often be considered a hallmark of achieving long-term financial stability. By ensuring that your debt-to-income ratio is manageable, your credit score is healthy, and your savings are sufficient to cover potential mortgage payments and associated costs, you'll be well on your way to securing a dream home that suits your tastes and preferences. Additionally, preparing for starting a family by securing sufficient insurance coverage, planning for academic expenses, and building an extensive support network will make the experience less overwhelming and create opportunities for long-term financial growth. By utilizing this knowledge and formulating a detailed plan, you can put yourself in a position to navigate life's major milestones with confidence and financial acumen. While acknowledging the financial progress you've made is essential, it's equally crucial to periodically evaluate and refine your long-term objectives. Frequently reevaluating your financial plan will enable you to adjust it according to changes in your life circumstances, preferences, and the financial landscape. By continuously striving to enhance your financial literacy and build a more comprehensive understanding of the various investment products and options available, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions that benefit your financial future. Remember, securing your financial stability is not solely a destination. It's an ongoing journey that requires careful planning, dedication, and flexibility. Through perseverance, savvy decision-making, and a commitment to learning and growth, you'll position yourself to make the most of your financial opportunities while navigating life's inevitable twists and turns. Now, let's talk about some practical steps you can take to continue moving forward on your financial journey. First, take time to evaluate your current financial situation, including your debt, income, and expenses. Make a list of specific financial goals you want to achieve, such as paying off debt or increasing your income. This initial step is crucial in determining your current financial status and providing a clear direction for your future objectives. Achieving long-term financial goals requires persistence, patience, and discipline, but it also necessitates flexibility and adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and unforeseen expenses can arise, such as medical emergencies or car repairs. Developing an emergency fund that can cover at least 6 months of living expenses can mitigate these unforeseen circumstances and keep you from veering off track. Furthermore, cultivating a diversified investment portfolio and taking calculated risks can yield substantial rewards over the long term, especially when coupled with a diligent approach to saving and debt management. By understanding the intricacies of various investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about your financial future and stay aligned with your objectives. Remember that financial stability is a marathon, not a sprint. Gradual, deliberate progress rather than reckless ambition. Understanding your risk tolerance and adjusting your investment strategy accordingly can significantly improve your odds of long-term success. Taking calculated risks can help you grow your wealth, but it also increases the potential for losses. By knowing your limits and appreciating the need for balance, you'll avoid making decisions that might jeopardize your financial future. Moreover, since financial stability often requires patience and sacrifice, understanding the importance of staying disciplined is paramount. Continuing to pay off high-interest debt and focusing on practical aspects, such as income maximization and smart budgeting, will go a long way in accelerating your journey towards financial independence. By integrating cutting-edge techniques, adopting smart spending habits, and controlling impulsive financial behaviors, you can experience profound personal and financial growth. In addition to traditional financial knowledge, improving your employability and learning valuable skills can give you an edge in the professional arena. By capitalizing on emerging trends and pursuing lucrative fields of study or expertise, you'll significantly bolster your earning potential and reduce your reliance on a single source of income. Becoming an expert in your chosen field also goes hand in hand with personal growth and learning how to manage the psychological dimensions of personal finance. Researching employers who prioritize employee satisfaction, stock options, and competitive retirement benefits will also have a lasting impact on your financial life and contribute to a deeper understanding of key enablers for driving meaningful, practical change in the workplace. Equipped with these attributes, personal resilience, motivation, and adaptable long-term vision will help propel you forward on your path towards generating real and lasting financial progress. So, what are some significant financial milestones you might have already achieved? Getting a steady job, paying off high-interest debt, and creating a budget that works for you are all important milestones that can set you up for financial stability. Achieving these milestones indicates that you've made significant progress in securing your financial foundation, providing you with a solid groundwork to build upon for future financial success. By acquiring a steady job, You're establishing a consistent income stream that will enable you to meet your living expenses and plan for long-term goals. Paying off high-interest debt not only eliminates unnecessary financial burdens, but also enables you to redirect those funds towards more productive uses, such as saving, investing, or tackling other debts. Moreover, creating a budget that works for you is essential, as it provides a framework for making informed financial decisions that align with your financial objectives. Experts also recommend that you start saving for retirement early and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. By starting early and being consistent, you can set yourself up for long-term financial stability. Starting early provides several key benefits, including the ability to take advantage of compound interest. Compound interest allows your savings to grow exponentially over time, even if you only contribute a small amount each month. For example, if you were to save $500 per month in a 401k or IRA, earning an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $1 million in savings by the time you retire. Additionally, many tax-advantaged accounts offer employer matching contributions, which can help your savings grow even faster. By taking advantage of these benefits and starting to save early, you can set yourself up for long-term financial stability and achieve your retirement goals. In addition to saving for retirement, another significant financial milestone is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or losing your job. Having an emergency fund in place can provide you with financial security and peace of mind, knowing that you have the resources to handle life's unexpected events. Experts recommend saving enough money to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses, which can be tailored to your individual circumstances. This amount will vary depending on your income, expenses, debt, and job security. By building an emergency fund, you can avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise and ensure that you have the necessary resources to maintain your standard of living. As you continue to achieve these financial milestones, it's essential to maintain a long-term perspective. Your financial situation is constantly changing, and it's crucial to adjust your strategy accordingly. For example, as you get older, you may want to reassess your investment portfolio or retirement savings goals. You may also want to consider other financial objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a house, funding your children's education, or starting a business. By regularly evaluating your financial situation and making adjustments as needed, you can ensure that you remain on track to achieving your financial goals. Furthermore, maintaining a long-term perspective can also help you avoid making emotional or impulsive financial decisions, which can have serious consequences. By staying focused on your financial objectives and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can achieve financial stability and security. When evaluating your financial progress, it is crucial to assess your income and expenditure patterns to identify areas for improvement. For instance, tracking your daily expenses can help you pinpoint unnecessary spends, enabling you to allocate that amount towards your long-term goals. A careful analysis of your budget will also help you recognize the importance of having an emergency fund, which can shield you from financial shocks when unexpected expenses arise. Moreover, cultivating a habit of saving and investing can foster a sense of financial security, allowing you to make informed decisions about your financial future. Developing a growth mindset towards personal finance will further enable you to stay updated with the latest trends and market fluctuations, empowering you to adapt your financial strategy as needed. Reaching your long-term financial goals often necessitates patience, discipline, and resilience. Hence, it is vital to cultivate healthy financial habits and thought patterns. Achieving financial stability also entails being mindful of lifestyle inflation, which can occur when people increase their spending as their income rises. If left unchecked, lifestyle inflation can thwart your long-term financial objectives. Therefore, setting realistic goals and priorities can facilitate more effective financial planning. Moreover, fostering a sense of community and mutual support by sharing your financial goals with a trusted friend or family member can provide an added motivation to stay on track. Recognizing that personal finance is an ongoing learning process rather than a destination will help you navigate its complexities with increased confidence. Ultimately, effective financial planning is not merely a matter of achieving specific numerical targets, It is also about honing a mindset that values financial prudence, diligence, and awareness. Cultivating this mindset can be an ongoing journey of self-discovery, knowledge acquisition, and behavior modification. Consequently, evaluating your financial progress is not a one-time event, but rather a recurring process of reflection, reassessment, and growth. Developing this capacity for introspection and adaptation will equip you to respond more effectively to changing economic conditions, life transitions, and other unforeseen challenges. As you embark on this journey of personal finance, fostering an environment of personal growth, accountability, and education can become an empowering catalyst for achieving your long-term financial goals. Furthermore, staying committed to your financial objectives can have far-reaching positive impacts on other areas of your life, ultimately enriching your overall sense of well-being. If you want to learn more about achieving significant financial milestones and creating a life of financial freedom, be sure to check out our other videos. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.